I felt no real pain. It was a very, very easy experience for me. Genuinely supportive and caring environment. The teeth is just the crowning glory.
Crowning glory.
Oh.
We've had crowns, we've had implants, bone grafts, fillings,
Root fillings,
root canal
all the
treatment.
amalgams come out. I'm normally a very nervous patient, and I just found the whole thing from start to finish, from the beginning of my treatment through the diagnosis and through to the end, the completion of my treatment, totally comforting. I was relaxed all the time. I was checked upon to see how I was feeling. I was overwhelmed, but I felt no real pain. It was a very, very easy experience for me.
Oh, likewise. I mean, a great experience, if you can call going to the dentist a great experience. But I've had 10 consecutive days of dental work, and every day I come in, everyone's happy, everyone smiles, and we get looked after. We really get looked after. It's a completely different experience here. You feel cared for, and that's a really important thing. Don't change anything.
I'd just like to second that, really. All of the team are great, even from the technicians to the doctors, dentists, even the girls in reception, even the guy outside. Everybody's been extremely helpful. Always very friendly, very, very approachable. You don't feel this is at all an intimidating experience. It's a very welcome, genuinely happy, genuinely supportive and caring environment.
Well, we were going to Jaipur, and we were in Delhi for a couple of days, and we thought, let's get our teeth cleaned. So we did a little bit of Googling, searching, and Dent Ally came up with really good reviews. I don't think we really searched any further, because we thought we're just going to have our teeth cleaned and x-ray, and from then on the process started. So we were back in the UK for about 5 weeks before we suddenly said we're going to do it.
I suppose just getting some dental treatment, which was literally just as clean and a polish. But even from there we did huge x-rays and scans were done, and although I was feeling no pain in my teeth, I hadn't appreciated that actually my teeth were not in a good state. Coming back, I feel like I made a very positive step towards very good dental health now, which will give me overall health. The initial coming over and having the test run, doing the disc scale and polish, to now going through to proper treatment, I feel in a much better and a much more healthy state.
And yes, I'm looking forward to coming back.
Out and out,
Come on over, don't be afraid.
It's not like a dental experience you would have had before. It is totally new, very holistic. They're very interested in you, how you're feeling, your overall health, and then the teeth is just the crowning glory.
The crowning glory. So we have had crowns, we've had implants, bone grafts, fillings,
root fillings,
root canal
all
treatment.
the amalgams come out.
I think that was an experience, getting all the metal out. We haven't had Invisalign, but but apart from that, we've had everything.